Hello. What the hell is up? Today, we're gonna... Oh my god, the live stream that we're gonna have today, guys. It looks like the early days, the good old days are back. We're finally printing money like crazy. Oh my god. Today, guys, today's been one of the craziest days that I've been in crypto this year. Yeah, I'm gonna give you like some anecdotes, but it's been insane. It's been months that I haven't seen like this kind of action in Memecoin. So yeah, let's go straight to the video. So obviously, you guys know about Pnut. I don't need to talk much about it. Obviously, you know what's up. You know what's up. Insane. The price action speaks for itself. Binance is obviously skyrocketing this. And congrats if you've done this trade. I personally have faded Pnut very hard. But I've been printing a lot of money with some alternative plays, so I'm going to go to them by the end of the video. And to all the people who are saying, Fred, it's going to be Fred. No, it's not just Fred. It's a lot of plays. You guys think that I'm talking about one play? Stupid. It's going to be a lot of plays, okay? It's going to be a lot of plays that I'm going to reveal. So stay tuned until the end of the video. But I'll be going to 2 billion today. I mean, it's crazy. But if I look at the chart... Let me grab, let me put it on deck screener actually. Yes, I'm gonna get to Fred in a minute, yeah? Let's go on the chart and deck screener. Oh, and by the way, I wanna thank you real quick before we start. I have 20,000 fucking subscribers, man. Feels fucking good. I would thank personally each and every one of you. So thank you so much. If you're watching this live stream, if you're supporting me, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, obviously. But thank you so much. It means the world to me. Okay, so the chart of Pnut, oh my god, it looks... Is it sending? So we had this... Okay, let me just draw a line. There is this diagonal line, and if we don't break down of it, I think that we can easily go to 2 billion. We were having like a couple of descending wedges, and it's kind of corrected very, very good. So as long as we keep on this trajectory, we're not going to have the major corrections. So here we were retesting it. We were retesting over and over again. So it seems like we're having this behavior. So we might as well just come up. I don't know. We're going to see about that. But what I can tell you is that obviously the risk to reward of Pnut right now doesn't really make much sense, right? If you rode the wave, congrats, because you probably printed a lot of money. But if you are to buy a project today, you don't buy something that is almost 2 billion in market cap, and especially at this level of market cap that has pumped almost a 4x overnight, right? You probably wouldn't do that. Doesn't make sense. Let's say that this goes to 2 billion, maybe you made 20% up your money, but obviously the risk to reward is just not there. But why not focus on all the derivatives of the ecosystem? You should see it as, think about trading futures. Think about doing futures on Pnut. And let's say the Pnut moves up 10%, maybe the other play is going to do a 2x because it's doing leverage. It's leveraging a trend, but obviously if Pnut pumps, those trends are going to pump way higher. If Pnut dumps, those trends are going to dump way further, okay? So I hope it makes sense, like this concept of the leverage play in the memecoin space. A lot of people don't get it, but it's not that hard to understand. So first of all, Fred, I haven't seen many people call this as early as we did, because we called it at 18 million in my Patreon VIP group. I say Patreon because I also enabled again joins through Patreon. If you guys prefer Patreon for payment processor, we're gonna get that later. You can still join through, the point is, you can join wherever you want. You can join through my website, that is what I would recommend. But some people have geographical restrictions, so you can still use my Patreon. I'm gonna show you all the methods that you can join at the end of the video. Anyway, we call this at 18 million, me and my team in the Discord. Holy fuck. This was the call. Jesus Christ. I cannot believe myself. But maybe I should, because I'm a G. But this is where we bought, all right? We bought yesterday. We bought yesterday 18 million in market cap. We're almost 10x. In less than 24 hours? But no. This is not the only 10x that I've done in the last 24 hours. I've done another one. Oh my God. We're making so much money, it doesn't even feel real. Anyway, this is just being parabolic. This freaking raccoon, man. Oh my God. Now, is this gonna keep running up? I honestly don't know. Like, this is a massive candle. I wasn't even expecting this. It's crazy. I mean, I woke up this morning, Dubai time. So, let's say I woke up like 10 hours ago. It was 40 million. Yeah, when I woke up, yeah, 11 a.m. my time. It was 45 million. I woke up, it was like this, and I was already, shit, it's pumping a lot already. And, and now it's 4x from there, right after I had dinner. Between my breakfast and dinner, this play did a 4x. So even if you faded yesterday, you could have bought this morning on 4x. It's crazy. So let's talk about this real quick. Because obviously, Pnut, the first convicted squirrel, this catches up on the trend. The first convicted raccoon. And there's actually lore behind it. It's not just a marketing gimmick, okay? It's real, okay? It's a real play. There's real images, etc. Guys, bullish stuff. So obviously, if Pnut keeps pumping, Fred is going to keep pumping. But let's say that Pnut pumps 20%, this thing is still going to do another 3 to 4x. So it's very important for you guys to understand that if you want leverage plays, so obviously you're going to see this chart and you're going to be like, oh, it's so damn overbought. And I don't know where this is going to be tomorrow. It could pump tomorrow. It could dump tomorrow. I don't know. It really depends on the price of Pnut. So one of the main things that I need to guys to understand is that these are going to mimic the price of Pnut, but they're going to move way faster. Now, there's another one. There's another one that a lot of people are were expecting Fred because it's already big in market cap right now. But there's another one that we've been trading that not everybody can guess. The first convicted dog, and this is much smaller. This I would still recommend buying at this market cap because I think it still needs to be its run-up. So full disclosure again, we bought this in my VIP group at 50K yesterday. We bought this in the same exact moment that we got Fred. We got this at the same exact moment. We got in at 50K in market cap. It went 6x, almost 7x to 330. That's almost a 7x. That's freaking crazy. Now, it's been correcting a little bit. It's a CTO. So all of these plays are CTOs, by the way. So power to the people, I guess. I think it's looking very strong. The buy pressure is real. So, yeah, man. I mean, the buying pressure is real because you see that we had two big corrections, but then the dips were kind of like eaten away all the time. So you can see also here, we got a double bottom, all right? And now we're just going into positive price action again. It's just looking very good, in my opinion. And I think that this project is also good to here to stay. Now, it's just been boosted on that screener. I think that the market cap is still extremely small. I mean, if Pnut went to 2 billion, this is going to catch at least a fraction of the pumping price that it's getting right now, right? So I think it's looking really good. Let's take a look at the X profile. There's actually a video.
Taken from within the Eastern State Penitentiary. According to the caption, Pep, the black lab during the...
Okay, no hate, but this voice is really lame. I'm not going to play this, but feel free to check it out. It explains the story. A dog serving life sentence for killing a cat. But it hadn't been him. It was not his fault. So, yeah. It was a good boy. It was a freaking good boy. But he was incarcerated. So justice for freaking animals. Okay? You also got a lot of the way that they kind of like blend the narratives together. I love that shit. Don't spam the chat. Otherwise, the chats are going to ban you. I mean, the shit is funny, right? Love this. I mean, it's very memeable. How you guys feeling about this? I think it's looking bullish. I think it's looking bullish. We love you, bro. Just joking, man. But no, seriously, don't spam the chat. Not too many comments. Otherwise, I have a lot of trouble looking at stuff. But anyway, it's freaking pumping. So, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I have more plays, by the way. And I already gave you 10 minutes into the live stream. So, there's going to be a lot to talk about right here. Obviously, I'm gonna jump into the live chat right now. Just a reminder, you would have gotten all these plays and much more, because I'm also going to say about another few wins that we've done and what is also about to turn into a win very, very shortly. Okay? So good shit. You join the early calls, all my trading signals in my VIP group. First link down in the description, the top 1% crypto community in the world. And it's not just trading signals, it's just top chat in crypto. Everything is listed on the website, so just go there, you're gonna see it for yourself. Okay, let's say hi into the, and by the way, limited spots available at these prices. The prices are gonna rise again very soon, because I said it months and months ago that once the bull market really starts, I'm gonna raise the prices. So this might be your last chance. 10x, let's fucking go, man. Are you talking about Fred? Yes, I just did. Pep is there. A lot of people were already insinuating who it was. All right. I guess that the Pep community knows something. But a lot of people were guessing Fred already, huh? I like that. It's good to see you, my bro. Did you manage to get into Klaus or Ginnan? I know Klaus. I don't know the second one, though. Ginnan? Ginnan the cat. Let's see. I haven't seen this before. 40 million. This is pretty old. Launched in July. That's a bullish chart. That is a very bullish chart for long term. For something that has been around already 4 or 5 months. Obviously, the majority of meme coins die within 48 hours. It looks pretty good. Doge's brother. It's a freaking cat, bro. Who's been adopted? Cool website. It's on BigGet? What? Who follows this? Mumu follows it? A thing that I like is just going through my following and see who actually follows the coins. And I see that there's actually chads that follow this thing. Okay. As the chart is looking good. It's pumping. I don't think that I would buy it now. Obviously, the time to buy was around these levels or the first correction. For you guys, then, I'm going to give you some very relevant piece of advice. Obviously, when you see a chart that looks like this, ignore everything else. Just look at the yellow. When you see a chart that looks like this, it's obviously very hard for people to buy, because if it goes like this, obviously it could also go to zero. But when you see a chart that kind of looks like this is usually a very good moment to buy, because it's the first confirmation that the project is not having a dead cat bounce. Okay, because obviously if it has a dead cat bounce, after we have a pump like this, it kind of like falls into the unknown, and it could do like a slow rug, is that the word? Yeah, maybe. But when we have something like this, from the very bottom, we pump, and then we form this bull flag, we usually have a breakout. So if you're too scared, if you are too much of an emotional investor, and you have problems by the bottom of charts, I think it's a very good advice. I think it's very good advice to buy at the bull flag confirmation right after. That is my trading strategy. Again, you don't have to agree or disagree, but it kind of works for me when I do those sort of things. Sometimes if I have strong conviction, I would buy the very bottom. But for something that has been around for a while, if I really don't know the community, if I really don't know where it can go, then this is something that I would perhaps do. And you can see that if you had bought here, you would already be like more than 2x. Now, would I buy right now? Probably not. I don't think that I would buy this chart in this very moment, but the project seems solid, and it's weird that I haven't heard about it before, to be completely honest. Sup? Tiago, it's good to see you, man. Crypto for Dummies. Nice username. Flog and Apple looks insane, not gonna lie. Thoughts buddy, keep up the good work. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you watching. And Flog is looking really good. Some people have told me that this is listing on Binance shortly. I don't know. Is it? Do you guys think it's listing on Binance? Rumor has it. Unverified sources. Maybe it will. I was like, is this chart loading? No, this is actually the chart. I mean, there is just not a chance that I would buy right now. Insane. I haven't traded this. I think it's a very solid project. I'm going to add it. If it's not on my... Let me grab the Memecoin list. Oh my God. I need to update this thing. Wait. How do I put... Did I put Frog already? Yeah, I put it already. I mean, it deserves a spot into the good list because it's just looking that good right now. Yeah, line 15. Yeah, I saw it, bro. I saw it. Oh my God, there's too many 10s to add. So, okay, we're going to add Fred. We're going to add more. Oh my God. Why is everything looking so bullish today? Apple. Apple is a good one. I remember that they were on the listing roadmap of Kraken. Did they get listed? They did get listed, it seems like, yeah. I think that this is one of the next big meme coins to be listed on Binance, to be honest. Chart looking great. I think this goes to Binance. Also, I don't know if I'm tripping, but somebody told me that Pep is listing on Coinbase today. That's why the pump. Oh my God. This shit is crazy, man. Pepe on Coinbase. How many bears were saying Pepe is never gonna list on Coinbase? They hate it. Oh my fucking God. Imagine people buying Pepe today. Imagine the normies buying Pepe today. Oh, they got a Robinhood as well. Yeah. I know. By the way, I got a couple of super chat. Banks, thank you so much, my brother. I know that you are in my VIP group. I thank you so much. I appreciate you. One of the new joiners. Thank you for the donation. Means a lot. I guess that you've been printing, so you gave me a thank you. So happy printing, my friend. JV, check labs. I assume this is not a meme coin, so let me... Can you confirm which one it is, though? I think it's this one. Yeah, the graph doesn't really look great. If you confirm it's this one, I'm going to take a look, bro. But confirm in the chat. Pnut and Fred, two $50 bets that have killed it. LFG, my friend. Let's fucking go. Grinko? Grinko? I have no idea what that is, bro. Congrats on the 20K. Thank you so much, Toggle. Appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support over this month. Jerry, good to see you, my friend. What's up, Cipro? I'm about to join your VIP. Let's go, man. Hopefully the time difference doesn't affect things. I'm in Canada. So I'm in Dubai right now. Obviously, I don't live in Dubai all the time. Right now, I'm in Dubai, but I work pretty long hours because the majority of my following is in the US and Canada and that side of the world. So obviously, I do very long hours because of that. So no, it won't be a difference. Don't worry. Looks like it's all about squirrel memes and raccoon hitting a lot. Yeah, man. After you're in the VIP group, you'll see what we're on about, because this has been the clear representation of what the months to come are gonna be. So I hope to see you in there soon, and hi to Canada. Peanut killer. I mean, that's pretty much the topic of this live stream, so don't worry. The live stream just started. I've already shared 2. I've already shared Fred. If you guys just tuned in, the first one is Fred, the convicted raccoon, at 10x in my VIP group already. And then we have Pep, Peep? I don't know. The first convicted dog, following the same narrative, which we carried out to a 7x, 50K buy alert in my VIP group. Bullish stuff. This, in my opinion, has a lot of terrain to run. Okay, I mean, Fred, you could argue, okay, you run its course, but this one, come on. Leonardo super chat, Gennaro, what's up? Bro, I entered 2 days ago, and just today, in 1 day, you made me print a lot of money. You are the god. I appreciate it a lot. Oh my god, you deserve another Dom DeMarco, bro. Gennaro, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And this feels great, like really getting back to my community and really helping you guys print. This is honestly more fulfilling than making money myself, and I'm gonna put another Dom DeMarco for that. Because honestly, it really is. Bobby, thank you so much. Once the discovery goes to 10 million, I mean, I don't want to be too optimistic. Obviously, if I say 10 million, people are going to think, oh, it's going to 10 million. It could. I'm not going to say it won't, but I also want to keep my feet on the ground. So even if it goes to 1 million, it's a 20x for my group. Because 10 million is what, like a 200x for my group? I mean, it's possible. But let's keep our feet on the ground. Take your profits. You're never going to be broke for taking your profits. You're never going to be broke for that. Okay? So take your damn profits, guys. Osman, thank you so much for the super chat. Can you maybe go to Bikey and... green call written like that. Bro, like you spelled it the wrong way. That's why I couldn't find it. Okay, let's take a look. Why is it not there? Where is it? I can't find it, bro. Okay, Bikey. I mean, Bikey, I've already looked into it. I like it. I really like this project. It needs trading volume, but listen, I'm not going to be mad about it because all the Matt Fury plays that I have in my portfolio, and believe me, I have a lot. I've been printing a lot of money with Matt Fury, but it's just like a lot of them have suffered a lot because in the last few days, the Ethereum gas fees, I even tweeted about it. And if you're not following me on X, I don't know what you're doing with your life. But yeah, Ethereum fees are ridiculously, again. So this is also, I was tweeting the other day, a lot of the Ethereum plays were suffering for the only reason that the gas fees were incredibly high. Osman, I can't find this green call. Like, give me the CA. I just can't find it. It's not that I don't want to look at it. I've tried. It's not there. But yeah, bike is looking good. It's another Matt Fury play. Let's see if it's going. No, I can't find it, bro. So this is the bike of Night Riders. The music is too loud, so mind me. I really like the content. I gotta say, I really like the content. Let me give them a follow because, yeah, they deserve it. Obviously, there's Hoppy from this. There's Watt. There's a lot of plays that are from here, right? And it's quite iconic because it's in the main pictures of Mind Viscosity. So if you guys are bullish on Hoppy, Draghi, whatever, like all these characters from the narrative, and I do like this. I think it's pretty funny. I think the meme is very memeable. They must have some in-house team or like doing content full time for this because they're being quite heavy at it. So yeah, I dig it. I dig it. It's pretty good. Keep it up. But I'm sorry I can't find the other play. If you give me the CA, I'll take a look. DeMarco. Get Fred, it really depends on your risk tolerance. I would not buy the top. And again, I'm not going to lie, I'm 10x on it. So I'm not going to be trying to get extra liquidity in this video. But I want to help you guys find all the plays that before they actually pump a lot. So I'm going to give you another one. I'm going to give you a lot in this video, by the way. Wally. This is Pnut's brother. Have you guys seen this? Now, this is just a bet on Pnut. If Pnut keeps pumping, I think that this keeps pumping as a result. Yes, it pumped a lot, but it's 50% down from the all-time high. So I think that it could recover. So the right one, it starts, with AF White 7. Okay, that's the CA if you guys are interested in checking that out. Not financial advice, just showing you what I'm investing in. I think that it's looking pretty good. It's a CTO, obviously. And I mean, it has a lot of volume. Just look at the trade. It has a lot of volume. The chart is looking quite good. It had a double top and then it corrected, but it kind of bounced back from the support zone. It looks good. The volume is high. I think that it could have a lot of potential. The website, it's a real character. It's not made up. By the way, let me remove this because otherwise people might get confused. Let me actually put it on the screen. Wally, okay? This is Wally. So, it's the brother of Pnut, okay? It's the other squirrel that this guy has. It's looking good. If you're bullish on Pnut, probably gonna be bullish on this. They actually have a very well-made website as well. Adorable. Who doesn't love squirrels at this point? This is a leverage play. This is a bit of a gamble, obviously. The volume is high. 12 million volume for a 4 million market cap in the last 24 hours. There's three times the volume to market cap ratio, and that is pretty much a golden zone for me as well. So it just looks really good. Here's another play. So, convicted animals and family of Pnut. It's not just the convicted animals. It's also the family of Pnut. And Pnut has several family members. The first one that we've seen is the brother. I'm gonna reveal the rest of the family by the end of this freaking live stream. Check Octavia. Octavia is dead. Has been dead for months. What are you doing, bro? It's been dead for months. What should we get? Already giving you choices, bro. Check out Boppy the Bat. Boppy? Yeah, I've seen this. This is also another character from Mind Viscosity, I think. 1 million right now. The chart is not looking that promising, I gotta say. I remember that this was pumped and dumped by a notable influencer promoting pumps and dumps, who I'm not gonna nominate. But it seems like it kind of recovered from the pump and dump territory. It broke when these plays break the diagonal trend line, they really go on free falling, especially if they also break down this horizontal support line, which horizontal is stronger than diagonal, but once a chart really has the kind of momentum, you really need to watch out from corrections. So it's still in this zone. I can see that it's still like in this zone. You see that it's doing a bounce back, but if the volume is not that high, it's pretty dangerous territory. So I would watch out for an entry, but just be prepared because this could drop a little further, especially if Ethereum gas fees go through the roof again. The other day, I was doing some transaction on Ethereum mainnet for some meme coins that I was trading, and I had $40 to $50, even more than $50 in gas fees. This morning, I did another buy, and it was $20. So yeah, just watch out, guys. Gas fees $80 at the moment. What? 80? 80 is crazy, man. I haven't seen that since the last bull run. $80 is insane. Damn, man. It's crazy. Ooh, somebody posted the real story of Pep, the convicted dog. If you guys just joined, this is another play of my VIP group. We got in at 50K. We've been printing. Holy shit. What the fuck? Damn, bro. 75% in the last hour? Oh my God. I'm always prone to just quitting this live stream and buy more. Pep, the first ever falsely convicted and jailed animal in general, not just dog. In 1924, originator of the meta, still 100 to 100K, 100x trending pay. We'll see millions imminently. At this point, man, like holy shit. At this point, I wouldn't even be surprised if it does that. I wouldn't even be surprised. Like, honestly. So the contract address starts with 14WW1, okay? For all you guys that are looking to buy. But yeah, it's just looking amazing. It's freaking crazy, man. And it's forming a bull flag. This is exactly what you want to see. So we'll see what it does. Bro, thank you so much for another super chat, but I cannot find it. So post a contract address and I'm going to try to find it because I can't find it. I appreciate the donations, but I just genuinely cannot find the project. Bill, good to see you, man. Ban on Sol. It's a comedian. You asked me to look when it was 12 million. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, I remember this. What? Oh my God, I faded this. Damn. Well, I caught two 10x's today. I'm going to be okay fading this project. But wow. I mean, congrats. Congrats if you made some money with this, man. I would strongly discourage people from buying right now. But yeah, it just looks good. It's crazy, man. Damn. Damn, son. Crazy shit. Hi, Cipro. Hi, Stacy. How are you? Hoppy and Boppy? How's Hoppy doing, by the way? Haven't looked at the chart of Hoppy forever. 76 million. I know that there was some aggressive selling just the other day. Another play. I call this at 15 million, by the way. Almost at 10x even here. I'm doing so many 10x. 10x's is just like my new motto at this point. Would I buy Hoppy now? I mean, I kind of was expecting Hoppy to pump with Pepe being listed on Coinbase just for the hype of like the frogs of Mad Fury. But it seems like the hype didn't really pass through the community. I don't know. I have a tiny moon bag, but I sold most of my Hoppy, like full disclosure. Ethan, my brother, good to see you. It's been a good week. Excited for the end of the quarter. Let's freaking go, Ethan. Wishing you the best of luck as always. Year, how do I pronounce this? $3.4 million. What's this? This website doesn't say anything. It's just a monkey, bro. Okay, it's a dead. Okay, is there lore? Yeah, it was a 2-year Western lowland gorilla at the Calgary Zoo. She passed. Can I say it without getting demonetized? Anyways, yeah, she passed away during a move with a gorilla enclosure. Oh, that's sad. Yeah, I mean, Looks good. 358. Looks good. Yeah, I approve. I think it's a good play. I haven't bought this, but yeah, looking good. They're the least intact from BingX. Who cares? Who uses BingX anyway? Exchanges the least projects all the time. Doesn't matter. They're crap. Tonight, Fred, 200 million. I think it's possible, yeah. I mean, it's not that far, right? $177. 31% the last. Even from the start of the live stream, this thing went from 160 to 177. To 180, actually. Making it officially a 10x for my group. Nice. Fucking crazy. Honestly, look at the things that haven't really pumped. I want to go back to Wally tomorrow and see how it is. And also, if you see here, a lot of the early people, they kind of cheated here. Like all the people that bought very, very early were selling around this area. So I think that the majority of early investors are really out of it and are waiting for the proper moon action. There's this very strong support zone at 3.5. I can tell you that if we retest this line, I'm going to add more to it. Honestly, I can't catch every trade right. So maybe this trade doesn't end up anything. But to me, it just makes sense. I bought some around here when it was 5 million. And then I bought again at 2 million something. So I kind of broke even at this point. And this is why you don't go all in. Because if I had gone all in here, I would have lost a lot of money. Okay? You buy here, then you buy again here. Your average is kind of here. And you wait for a breakout if it comes. If it doesn't come, that's fine. Because I made other 10x's in the last 24 hours. But I think it looks good. I'm going to buy more. I need to talk about, now that we are a bit into this live stream, I need to talk about the other play. This is more than 10x. Holy shit. I call this, I think 170K. Maybe if I ask some people from the Discord, they can confirm what market cap I brought this because I can't remember. I think 170K. So what is this? 12x? Holy shit. Oh my God. This shit is crazy. Yeah. I bought here. This is where we bought in the VIP group. So from 170K, to 2.33 million. Oh my God. How much is that? That's almost a 15x. That's nuts. Guys, can you believe that this happened in the span of like 24 hours? 24 hours. Like, we were buying this place like yesterday and today. This is insanity. Insanity. Can't believe this. Merlin, the miracle fish. It worked miracles for our portfolios. It's crazy. Would I buy this now? Probably not. I mean, I made so much money with this that I really don't need to buy it again. I sold everything of this, but I'm kind of I don't want to say regretting. It's fine. I didn't leave a moonbag. I sold everything, but I mean, it's kind of like looking good, huh? It's kind of like looking good. I wouldn't be surprised if it has another leg up. It's looking quite strong. The volume is still there. I'm personally out of this. If it goes above, I know that some of my Discord members are still in it. I hope it pumps again. I don't know. It looks really good. It's crazy. This chart is just insane. And also, like, look at this chart, guys. Like, it dumped 90%. This happened. So we bought this 6 hours ago. In the last 6 hours, this chart went from 2.5 to to 300K and then went to do another all-time high. This stuff is crazy, guys. This is why you should be glued to the screen like 24/7 and following my calls, because oh my God. Is Speedy dead? Speedy is not dead. Speedy has the problem, so to speak, that he pumped too fast. He pumped too much, too fast. And because of it, a lot of people are flooding it. But I do believe that it's going to pump again. I don't see why it wouldn't pump again. All of Ethereum plays are down. The majority of Ethereum plays are down right now. Look at the Mad Fury plays. They're all down like 40% in the last 24 hours. It's fine. I'm not bothered about it. I have a very small bag of Speedy. I think it makes a lot of sense for the long term. And I mean, people wanted to buy this when it was 40 million. I was like, what the hell is wrong with you? Obviously, it's good moments to buy when they are so down. So it looks really good as an accumulation area. I wouldn't hesitate buy more. Lucas asks me, what do you think about Fred? Bro, I've been talking about Fred for like half of this live stream. I'm not going to talk about it again. Just rewind it after. Dun, dun, dun. Much love to you. Erkan, my brother, good to see you. How you doing, my friend? How are you doing? I got to get back to you as well, like today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope to see you in Dubai soon. What about happy? I guess you mean hoppy? How come you're out of hoppy? I took my profits. I take profits. That's how I make money in crypto. I take profits. I made a 10x, so obviously I take profits. Don't listen to the YouTubers that say, this is going to do 100x, so I sell everything 100x. This is not the way that it works. This is not how people that are crypto millionaires make money. This is not how I made my money in crypto. I take profits and this is how I make money. That being said, I have a moonbag running for free right now on the house. Dolan. Some people told me that this is Luke Ballmer's project. I honestly have no idea. But I was very aware of this being called. This meme was a thing. Okay, this meme was a thing when like 10 years ago when I was in fucking high school. And I remember that I found it extremely funny. Holy shit. Well, my TA was kind of accurate. I was doing TA like a few live streams ago. It kind of paid out. I just needed to draw a longer support zone, but okay, I muted myself by mistake. Okay, can you hear me now? I think you guys can hear me. Still no? What? All good now. All right. Thank you so much. I was saying that Sensei shit. I'm not sure if you heard that. But Sensei is the clear concept of in Spanish and Italy, we say vender humo. I mean, this is Spanish, but anyway, in Italy we have the same. I don't know how to translate it to English. Can you say selling smoke? I don't know. But anyway, it's kind of like all promises, but it's all bullshit. They don't have anything. It's just hype. And this is why crypto is so weird. Crypto is all a Ponzi at the end of the day, because it's all like smoke. It's nothing. It's hype. As long as the community believes in the hype, the project pumps. Selling snake oil. Is that the translation? Selling snake oil. I've never heard this. But anyway, you guys get the picture. It's PS. Yeah, it's on SM7B, but I clicked on mute on my streaming platform. And I didn't realize that I clicked on mute. So I thought there was something wrong with the mic, but it was just me that I clicked on the mute button. But anyway. Happy pumps when the market is bearish. I mean, define bearish though. Like Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin is 92K. But obviously, altcoins are not really moving. Only the meme coins are moving. Doge is booming. Pepe is mooning because of Coinbase listing. So, but the altcoins utility projects are in a bear market. Yeah, 100%. KRC20 fair launch memes are the best ever seen for its reward. You know what though? Where do I see them? Because I am not a Kaspa meme coin degen. I don't really trade memes on Kaspa. Like, where do you even see this? Like, obviously they're not on Dex Screener. You can't. I don't think that they even have trading bots. How the fuck are you trading this shit? I want to know. I have no idea. I would like to know though. Have you heard of Snork? 20K market cap? Snork? Who would buy this shit? Bro, this project is dead. There's a point that you need to say that project is dead. 18K, who would buy this? I wouldn't buy this. Fluffy in the dip to hell. My brother, every Mad Fury play is down. Don't be so mad about it, because then it's gonna pump again, and you're gonna ask me if it's a good entry, and I'm gonna say no. What coin do you recommend? The ones that I've been talking about in this live stream and the ones that you can see in this list. Feel free to take a screenshot. And I'm going to add Merlin 10x. Another 10x that we did today. Oh my God. I know that I'm just forgetting a lot of 10x shit. It's too much, man. There's a point that everything becomes too damn much. Doug the Duck. Doug the Duck is, in my opinion, having a problem in keeping the hype alive. But the thing is, guys, at the end of the day, it still pumped a lot. And it did retrace now, because obviously the attention is shifting towards other sort of plays. But the community is still grinding hard. The community is still great. I love them. I think they're a fantastic team. They're very dedicated to their mission on making this a very good quality meme. So, in my opinion, it's just a good accumulation area. That's all, but they need to solve some issues of what the community has been asked of them, like exchange listings. They need some better action on that aspect. But other than that, I think that the fundamentals of the projects are there. So obviously, it is fun if people fund this project. Yes, I'm still extremely bullish on this. I still hold it. Obviously, I sold some because I take my profits. I don't bullshit people. I take my profits. But it's still got tremendous potential. Tremendous potential. Kendo on base, I'm still extremely bullish on Kendo on base. How would I not be? A lot of whales, I don't want to say a lot of whales. Some whales Oh, sorry, I've taken the wrong one. To the one underneath. Some whales have been offloading this, but every time that a whale offloads, it's also a very good opportunity to add up to your bag. So you can see here, dip 1, dip 2, they got eaten. This, bam, parabolic, and this again. So that's fucking it. Oh my God, I gotta go back to this comment. Lewis, SPX. What's the market cap of SPX? This market cap is 600 million. 600 million. This is the most cabal shit I've ever seen in my life. Don't listen to Jesus wannabes. That's all I can tell you. A Jesus wannabe is going to make you believe what a Jesus wannabe will make you want to believe. You might do a 10 to 15x from this. That is not life-changing money. But if you invest into something like Punk and does 50x, you might as well make some life-changing money to your portfolio. And trust me, projects like Ponke, projects like Brett, those projects, they really have got the... Even Brett, honestly, Brett is higher market cap than this, is going to easily do way more multipliers than this. I'm sorry, but it doesn't have any sort of sense investing into something like this. It was a pure cabal play. They made their money. They're still going to pump it. You're not going to make life-changing money. I would rather keep my money on Solana or Ethereum than buying this. Way safer and similar reward. Better buy Sol. I didn't even read your comment, bro, but you kind of like preceded me. Better buy Sol. I like it. I think I'm going to use that motto. Better buy Sol, bro. It's so fucking true, though. Sorry, I realize I'm swearing a lot. I need to keep it more PG. I just can't contain my excitement. I'm just real. Rumor has it that Casper is being bought up by Grayscale. Can you confirm? How can I confirm it, bro? Listen, if somebody wants to make you believe that, they're going to find some way to make you confirm about that. Okay? There was people saying Casper is being listed on Binance, and they were, that Casper is being bought up by Binance, and they was fake news. So whether you see it on the internet or not, take it with a pinch of salt. See it as like a myth. Casper's been bought by Grayscale. Might be true. Might not be true. Does it change anything? No. It should be just a piece of information that you read on a newspaper and then you forget about it 10 minutes later. This is a fucking expensive microphone. I just pressed on the mute button. You see? Look. See, you couldn't hear me. I just clicked on the mute button by mistake. I don't believe in 100x's. I believe in make 2, 3x, take your profits, leave a moon bag, and be ready for anything. If it does 100x, make some money. That's cool. But this way, you make money either way. And I think that you want to make money regardless, not just looking for hopium. And this is the problem that I have with majority of YouTubers. The majority of YouTubers will make you believe of all these projects doing 100x, or they're going to tell you, this is doing 100x, so I'm not taking any profits until 70x. And then they just dump their bags on you. When the project does a 15x, they sell everything. So there's nothing even at that 50x that they said was their bearish target, because they sold way before then. But this is how the big influencers tweak the masses. And this is why you shouldn't listen to those big influencers. You shouldn't. Obviously, they're just going to manipulate. This is how the markets are born. It's pure manipulation. So don't believe in 100x's. Take your profits, leave a moon bag. So you run for free. And if you lose their money, so be it. I've seen people do 50x's and then drag their money back down to zero or to pennies, to dust, because they thought that their project was doing 100x, so they didn't sell anything at 50x. It is one of the biggest realizations that you need to make in crypto. And it happened to me as well, so I'm also talking by experience. For a check by key, yes, please rewind. I don't know, maybe I'm going to be proven wrong, but the KRC20 memes, I just don't see the appeal. I'm printing on Solana. Solana is the place to be for meme coins. AI Tech is not doing anything because all the AI projects are doing nothing. Altcoins are doing nothing. The attention span is on Bitcoin and meme coins. Everybody's talking about Doge. Everybody's talking about Pnut. Everybody's talking about Pepe. Everybody's talking about Bitcoin going to a new all-time high today. Nobody cares about utility projects. The solid projects, they are going to have a phase in the market in which they're going to go parabolic, but it's not going to happen today. Lit pumped 2x overnight because they did something on X. I don't give a fuck. I wish the worst to the team. Myro pumping. Myro, I think, got listed on Kraken or is about to be listed on Kraken, so that's probably why. Is this a real comment? Chat. Is this real? Oh my God. Do a Christmas discount on your Patreon to half of what? Half? Bro, no. If I do half, it would be disrespectful to the people that pay me full price. So no, I'm not going to do that. I did make a sale for the lifetime memberships that is over already. It's been over for a few days, but okay, let's do that. For the next 24 hours, I'm still going to give you the discounted rate on lifetime memberships. Email me, Fred. Email me, Fred, to my email address, and I'm going to give you a discount for the lifetime membership. But if I do discounts on monthly members, it just doesn't work. It doesn't make sense. It's disrespectful to people. But I can do it to lifetime. So hit me up if you're interested. Email me, Fred. Milk bag. What's the CA? No, I mean, I think I can find it. Let's see. Oh, is this the same trend of like water and beer? Yeah, the lifetime membership discount is with crypto. Yeah. Just email me. And yeah. 12K followers, this thing. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. I think that the meta is kind of dead. What's the volume? Nah, it's dead, bro. 87K volume on 4.5 million. No, I'm going to pass on this one. Fred, like the raccoon, Fred. That's the word, Fred. Email me, Fred, for a discount on lifetime memberships. You got 24 hours, so you got until 10 p.m. Dubai time tomorrow. For everyone that's interested. I don't know. No, I wouldn't buy this. Fuck it. Tecton to 2 billion. What's the market cap of Tecton now? Like 100 million? Less? I think less. 66. So 2 billion would be like a 30, 35x. Very feasible. Very feasible. I don't want to say conservative. I mean, is that 33x conservative? I think it's realistic. Could do more, sure. But rest assured that I'm taking my profits as well if one of my picks does a 33x from here. Check out the OG Pnut CTO. I think nobody would care about an alternative at this point. Yeah, dude, this thing went to 2 billion almost. Went to almost 2 billion. Nobody would care about the OG. What's an OG? No. The alts are not pumping because the Bitcoin dominance is still 60%. So this is the way, look, money flow, crypto bull run. This is why the altcoins are not pumping. So obviously we could make another tweak about meme coins because they're not really in the picture. But right now we are between phase 1 and phase 2. Okay? Maybe in the overlap of the phase. Bitcoin is a new all-time high. Ethereum is outperforming Solana right now, which it hadn't been the case for the last 6-7 months. Then we're going to go into the large caps. So you see Solana going to $700, whatever. And then we have the proper alt season, maybe last 1 month. Could last 1 month, could last 2 weeks, could last 3 months. Nobody knows. Nobody can predict that. But I can tell that once this is in, you'll know it. Let's just say you'll know it. And that alt season happens when Bitcoin goes up, but altcoins go up like 10 times, tenfold. I hope it makes sense. Both bullish on Kendo and Cheddar on Solana. I'm bullish on both. No, the discount is only for lifetime. Again, I'm not going to do a disservice for monthly users. I literally had users sign up today. I can do a discount on that. But in the lifetime, if people want to be OGs, people want to be in my community for the long term and print for the long term, like honestly, the majority of VIP members right now, they are getting with the VIP lifetime because they understand that the value of this community is like nowhere else in the space. So this is why I'm willing to do a discount for lifetime membership. But monthly, I'm never going to do discounts on monthly. If anything, at some point, I'm even going to close monthly memberships. Probably next year, I'm going to close them. And it's going to be closed number for monthly membership and lifetime, as many as I want, as many as people want to get. But you guys get the picture. I want people for the long term. I want to build a proper community. I don't want people to get in and out. I don't want people to do a trade and then fuck off. I want a proper group of alpha. This is what we're trying to do here. So guys, again, if you want the discount, it is going to be the last time. It was already over, but since a lot of people have asked me in the chat, but don't ask me again. The word is Fred. Email me Fred to my email address. It's down in the description. And by the way, if you want to join with Patreon, as I said, wait, I think, am I logged in here? Wait, I need to show another page though. Dun, dun, dun. 1 second, guys. Okay, so if you want to join through Patreon because you don't want to join monthly through my website, you can join whatever you want, okay? So obviously cipro.com. This is the way that I recommend joining, but here you join through WAP, okay? So if you click here, you go through WAP. But it's blocked in some countries, some people have told me, and this is why I reopened Patreon as well. The price is $125, you can join wherever the fuck you want. It doesn't really matter. But you can join from today, from the last few days, even through Patreon. The spaces here already got sold out, so I'm gonna reopen 5 spots maybe. Just give me a second from the other window. I'm gonna reopen 5 spots. And anyway, the URL is just patreon.com/cipro. Okay, you can't get it wrong. I'm gonna reopen some spots because they got sold out already. It's crazy. I've just reopened that as well. But you can join wherever you guys want. Okay. Just give me a second while I reopen up the spots. So I know that some people wanted to join because some people prefer the billing here. Some people prefer the billing on WAP and on my website. But I just want to give the choice to people to join wherever the hell they want. Okay. 5 spots open now. So you can join through here as well if you guys fancy. Let me see if it's done now. Maybe it's refresh. What? Okay, it should work now anyway. Cool. Let me get back to live stream thingy. I'm giving, I mean, it's me and my team. So we are a group of 3 people, okay? My staff is 2 people. We have 2 other callers. We call stuff every single day. You call stuff every single day. And the win rate, I think that doing at least a 50% to 2x up, I think that it is going to be at least 70 to 80% minimum. At least 2x, yeah, it must be something like 70, 80%. The Zima launch, it should happen between December and January. KC20 tokens are dumping. Yeah, I'm not even following them, so I have no idea. Yeah, never be married to. It's so fun, guys. The funniest shit ever. You know what's the funniest shit ever? Is that people in the Caspa community, they're gonna tell you, don't marry your bags, bro. Marrying your bags is so bad. And then they are the only people that are really married to their bags in crypto. Isn't there a paradox that they say, no, don't marry your bags? But those are the actual only people that are married to their bags. I'm married to Caspa, bro. You shouldn't be married to anything. People are, I don't know, man. It's crazy. Okay, I need to get back to trading because we have other calls to make today and there's a lot of stuff going on. Again, the website, if you want to join the calls and everything, you guys know where to find me. Okay, I'll quit the live stream. I'll see you in the Discord if you're there. If not, I'll see you in my next live stream. Bye-bye. Take care.